Hi, welcome to Adobe Photoshop tutorials. We'll be learning today how to create 3D water drops like this on the image. Alright, let us get started. For this you need an image, okay, where you want to place your droplets. Alright, and then select the marquee, the elliptical marquee tool. Alright, and place it on the image where you want the 3D drop shadows. Okay, and don't make it a perfect circle. Okay, we can keep it like this. Again, hit Ctrl J on the keyboard, okay, to make a duplicate layer for the selected region. Okay, and now hit Ctrl again on the keyboard and click on the layer so that it gets selected. Okay, now go to filter, go to distort, and go to spherize. Okay, alright, make sure the amount is 100, mode is normal, click OK. Alright, now we have the elliptical object. Alright, right click or double click on the layer to get the blending options. Okay, and select inner glow, color to white, blend mode to normal, opacity to around 65. Alright, the size to around 20, between 21 to 25. Okay, we make it 20, we make it 20. Right, okay, click OK. And now what we need to do is we need to give our elliptical shape a 3D look. So we'll go to filter again, we'll go to liquify. Okay, we will give a shape to our bubble. Okay, alright, and then click OK. Okay, let me rotate it a little bit. Okay, alright, we have our bubble now. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll create a shadow for the bubble. Okay, select color black, take the marquee, elliptical tool. Okay, and create the shadow. Shape it a little bit, okay, so that looks, and make sure the shadow is below the water drop, and let us name it as water drop here. Okay, alright, we need to be careful, a little careful while aligning the shadow, because this is very important if you are looking for the details in the image. Okay, alright, something like that, and go to filter, go to blur, Gaussian blur. Okay, and make sure the radius is set to 5 or 5.5 and click OK, and make the blend mode to overlay. Okay, and sorry, not overlay, make it to a soft light. Okay, so it will give you a smooth shadow effect. Okay, create another layer, but this time it will be a white one. Okay, and it has to be between the shadow and the water drop. Okay, line it a little bit over here. Alright, perfect. Okay, and now make it an overlay. Okay, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay, and increase the size, the radius to around 8.8 to 9. Okay, click OK, and decrease the opacity a little bit so that it looks real. Okay, right, wonderful. Alright, now let us go ahead and give some lighting effects to the water drop. Alright, now create a layer for that. Okay, make sure the top layer is selected. Okay, create a new layer. Okay, select the color to white, select the brush. Okay, I'm going to select this one. Okay, I will size it down a little bit. Okay, almost, yes. And alright, just click on the bevel, on the bubble over here. Okay, make it an overlay. Wonderful. Now create another layer on top of that, and this time it will be white, but this time the brush will be the brush number 70. Yeah, there you go. Okay, this brush actually gives a sparkle effect. Okay, increase the size a little bit. Alright, okay, undo. No, it's too much. Okay, yep. We'll have to select the bubble. Okay, like this one, right, the water drop, and create a new layer. Okay, right click outside the box and click on create clipping mask. Okay, this actually create a mask for the layer below it. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll keep the color to white. Okay, select a different brush. It's a normal brush. Okay, this one. What we are doing is we are giving a shiny look on the top of the water drop, like this, something. Yes, okay, a little shiny. Alright, fine. And now we'll have to create another layer. Okay, and make it create a clipping mask again, just on top of the new layer. Okay, so this time we'll select the color black. Okay, size down the brush a little bit, and we'll give the shadow inside the bubble. It's too much. Okay, that's enough, and then we'll go and make it an overlay, and you can do a nice shadow. Okay, alright, and I think we are done. Alright, just another thing. Okay, we are looking for details in the image. Okay, there is one thing over here that is actually the outer part of the water bubble. It looks very sharp at the bottom, so we will make it a little blur. Before doing that, we will have to rasterize the layer. Okay, remember, rasterize layer style. Alright, now okay, I think we are good to go. Alright, so we have our bubble, and if you think, alright, the light under the bubble is like unrealistic, okay, just select the light, which is this one. Alright, decrease the opacity a little bit, okay, so that the bubble looks real. Alright, and cool, let us select the layers. Okay, click on Ctrl G, it will make a folder. Okay, and then click on Ctrl J. Okay, it'll make a duplicate. Okay, and then Ctrl T, and resize it, make some duplicate bubbles. Okay, to put around. Okay, yep, there you go, and select the group one, Ctrl J again. Okay, I'll put another bubble over here. Yeah, guys, please keep in mind this is a tutorial, okay, which is why I'm not, I'm just giving you a need to know information. Okay, once you are creating, and I'm sure that when you are creating you can do a better job than this, make sure you look into the details. Alright, and I'm very sure that you will make more realistic bubbles, alright, than this. So yep, there we go. Alright, we are done. Okay, and please subscribe if you like my video. Thank you for watching.